Hi, welcome to Troubledar's videos. Recently, the Feser company from Germany released one of the new radical extreme radiators out there called the MONSTA. Now, this radiator hasn't officially made its way into the US yet, but we did manage to get our hands on one this week, so let's take a quick sneak peek at the Feser company MONSTA Extreme Radiator. This is going to be one of the most extreme and radical PC cooling radiators I've seen to date. This is the Feser company limited edition MONSTA Extreme Radiator 420 and 360. So let's have a look inside this box and see exactly what we get with this kit. Here we have our silicone gasket. This is for 3 140mm fans. And again, this is the gasket that gives an airtight seal for 3 120mm fans. We have our genuine certification literature here. This, as you can see, is for a limited edition number of these radiators. And we have our 3-year warranty card. And here it is. This is the MONSTA radiator from the Feser company. Let's take this out of the box and have a little bit of a look at the closer detail of this absolutely phenomenal piece of equipment. Let's have a look at what accessories come with the Feser company MONSTA radiator. Here is the radiator itself. We also have 2 gaskets. These gaskets provide an airtight seal against the face of the radiator to make sure you're getting the most efficiency from it. This particular gasket is for 3 120mm fans. The second gasket is for 3 140mm fans. We have 2 G-quarter threaded nozzle blank plugs for the radiator. We have screws to hold the fans onto the radiator, bracket screws, a bleed nozzle screw with rubber O-ring. We have 2 3/8 compression fittings for the radiator hoses, as well as a bottle of Feser base corrosion blocker. Each of the MONSTA exchanger radiators are manufactured with the finest materials and highest attention to detail. The Feser company even goes as far as testing each radiator for leaks as well as correct heat dissipation prior to providing the seal of approval and issuing the serial numbered hologram as proof of authenticity. The MONSTA series starts at number 20,000. This unit here is number 81 off the production line. The first thing that grabs your attention with this radiator is the custom etched carbon fiber side panel. Although this side panel adds no performance value, it definitely brings an added bling factor to an otherwise a beast looking radiator. With high flow brass alloy water chambers and pure copper transfer fins, the MONSTA promises extreme cooling performance. The gaps between the pure copper transfer fins have been increased, thus reducing the airflow resistance through the radiator itself. This measure means you can run your fans at slower speeds, reducing noise and indeed reducing the need for earplugs. For maximum system compatibility, the brass alloy inlet and outlet water chambers have been drilled and tapped to accept G-quarter threaded components. This means the radiator is compatible with the majority of existing fittings, nozzles and adapters available on the market today, as well as simplifying the process of upgrading to this monster of a radiator. On the end cap of the MONSTA radiator you have the Feser company and exchanger embossed logos as well as the venting plug. This venting plug is used to evacuate all the air from the radiator, thereby increasing the radiator's heat transfer and efficiency. To aid in the heat transfer and cooling of the liquid within this radiator, you have the option of installing 2 different fan sizes. Using this gasket you can install 3 140mm fans or 3 120mm fans. Overall, the Feser MONSTA Extreme Radiator is a very impressive piece of equipment. It's manufactured from the best alloys and purest copper available to the industry. This will without a doubt satisfy the needs of even the most extreme water cooling enthusiast out there. This radiator is without a doubt a thermochill killer. The Feser company Monster Extreme Radiator is exactly what the name implies. It is an absolute monster. Look at the size of this thing. Total water capacity of this radiator, 1.4 litres. Now, if you're a water cooling enthusiast, this is the ultimate radiator for you. While it is difficult to get excited about a radiator, this one really is pretty cool stuff, guys. Now, for more information on the Monster Extreme Radiator, feel free to visit this web link. Once again, I wish to thank you guys who watch these videos and post comments on these videos. And remember, if you wish to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in extreme and PC gaming hardware, feel free to subscribe.